A particle executes simple harmonic motion of 2 cm. At the extreme position, the force is 4 Newton. What is the force at a point midway between mean position and extreme position? So let us consider a particle first. A particle, okay, so which is executing simple harmonic motion and its amplitude is 2 centimeter. Then let us write x is equal to 2 centimeter initially. So at extreme position the force is 4 Newton. So when this particle from mean position is moving towards its one of the extreme position, then at this position let us name it as F1 be 4 Newtons. And what is the force at a point midway between the mean position and an extreme position? So this is mean position and this is extreme position of the particle. So let us name this point F2, not this point. Let us name the point which is there in between the extreme position and mid position be F2, and this F2 we have to find out. So this F2 F1 is equal to 4 Newton. Let us write down this in given. So this is the provided information to us. Using this information we have to find out what is going to be the force which is acting in between the mean position and the extreme position. So to find that is value of F2, so till now we have defined it in the diagram that what is F2. So in solution we can write the basic thing as the force F is equal to kx. Okay, so we are considering magnitude, we are not just considering direction, we are just considering magnitude. So for position 1 my force is going to be F1 is equal to kx1, and for position 2 that is in between the mean position and the extreme position, it is going to be equal to kx2. The value of my x1 is half of its amplitude, because in the diagram you can see that my total amplitude from this point to this point is going to be a, okay, and at f2 it is going to be half of its amplitude, that is a by 2. Then if my x is equal x, so this will become x1 is equal to 2 centimeter, then what will be my x2? My x2 will be equal to half of x1, that is x1 by 2, which is equal to 2 by 2 is equal to 1 centimeter. Now using these values I'm going to divide these two equations of f1 and f2. So dividing f2 by f1 is equal to kx2 upon kx1. So this k and k term will get cancelled out because those are common terms, and now it will become x2 upon x1. So now what is the aim? I have to find out value of f2. So f2 is equal to f1 into x2 upon x1. So just substituting the values of f1, x2 and x1. So f1 that they have given us is 4 newtons. x2 is the second reading that we took, that was 1 centimeter amplitude in midway between mean position and extreme position, and x1 is 2 centimeters. So 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, and the answer is 2 Newton. So since force is measured in Newton, unit of force is Newton, we write it as F2 is equal to 2 Newton. This is our answer. So final answer in statement form: force at a point midway between mean and extreme position is 2 Newton.